sleepyhead? Wanna play, girls? I won't take no for an answer. You can't hide from your little sister. It's time to go. Baby, we'll be back soon, okay? Phew, we're safe. Now we just have to get out of here. Lily, be quiet, or we'll get caught. I'm trying, Jane. What if the kiddo gets her own house? What do you think, Jane? Lily, you're a genius. We'll build it right here. A baby house doesn't need much space. Where do we start? With the frame, of course. We'll put the boards together into a square and screw them together. Done! And now the lifting.
Wow.
This is the first wall. And here's the second. Jane took care of everything. It's time to put the two pieces together. I can do it, Jane. Let's add metal corners. That'll make it strong. The rest of the beams are also here. Easy peasy. Now it's time for the roof. We'll make it like this. What a great princess castle! Jane, help me! I'm already here, Lily. But something seems to be missing. That beam in the center. I got it, Lily. You can keep going.
Yeah.
And now we have to do the walls. Cardboard is the best building material. No nails, just a stapler. Even a kid could do it. There's not much left. Good job, Lily. And now the top level. Done! But a real castle needs to have doors. No problem. Just cut them out with a box cutter. We did it, Jane! We did it! But it's too soon to relax. This house is missing windows. Cut them out.
Yeah.
Lily, where are you? I'm here. Come visit. That's much better. Now it will always be light in the castle. And of course, an attic. It must also be beautiful. Take it upstairs and staple it. And what do we cover the roof with? Cardboard, of course. Just dress up the roof and we can have a housewarming party. Jane, I have an idea. How about some shingles? That's not a bad idea. Here, now we are going to turn these plates into shingles. Cut them in half and then in a half circle. And then the shingles can be glued to the roof.
Yeah.
One row at a time. This is a difficult task. But if you try hard, you can do it. That came out amazing! Lily, now we are going to add a special charm to the house. Watch and learn. Outline the doors and windows with white. And then draw the brickwork. One brick at a time. We did a great job! Lily, we'll put flowers in these baskets. Let's hang them on the windowsill. That's better. Smells nice. The house is ready. It's time to start renovating.
Yes.
Bright stickers will turn boring walls into a work of art.
Yeah.
These hearts will do just fine. And we'll put a fluffy rug on the floor. The house immediately became soft and cozy. But without furniture, it's a little empty. Why not make a table? Challenge accepted! cut out a cute cloud from cardboard. One is not enough. We need more clouds. Glue them together. Here we have a tabletop. And now we are going to glue legs. And that's it! It's nice and sturdy. And let's put an LED strip along the edge. You can't have too much light. Something seems to be missing. A mirror, of course. But it still needs work. Let's make a nice frame in the shape of a donut. The cardboard will be the base. And now let's make a tasty glaze out of foam paper. Cut it. And glue. A little more glue. And the mirror is ready. I like it, Lily. But a mirror with lights would be even better. No more of these lights lying around. Just make holes around the perimeter of the mirror, and we put the light bulbs in them. And now let's pull a little trick. Watch how I do it, Jane. Let's decorate the lamps with colorful balloons. That'll look even better. Oops! Forgot the sprinkles for the donut. And let's put some more sides on the mirror. Okay, where do we hang it? To the left. Higher. Right there, Jane. This is where the mirror belongs. Jane, these boxes take up so much space. Why don't we take them to the attic? No way, Lily. The boxes will make great shelves. Look, just glue them to the wall. These shelves will hold the entire princess closet. And a couple more cute accessories on the table. Our sister is going to love it. She loves doing her hair so much. Lily, let's figure out how to decorate the yard. Follow me. It's so roomy. Where did you get that from? This tire will soon turn into a comfortable stool. All it needs is a little tool. Here we go. Wrap the fabric around the tire. It should be bright and soft. And don't forget the cushions. The more, the better. Now the stool is ready to go. Oh, so comfy! Lily, you're settling in nicely. Hey, I don't like the window on the roof. It's too boring. I have an idea.
Yes!
We are going to make a stained glass window. Ready? Put a stencil on clear plastic and start to create. Go over the lines with acrylic paint. And then paint a stained glass window. Let's make a starry sky. Wow! It worked!
Wow!
Lily, trust me on this. I'll be there soon. Tape over the window. And on top, we lay out the lights. A complete imitation of the night sky. Jane, that's cool. Don't you think this wall is missing a picture? We don't need brushes to paint a picture. Right. Get the thread, Lily. Already here. Paper clips are enough. Use them to draw a balloon on the wall. And then break out the yarn. Paint the picture in different colors. You just need to pull the thread between the buttons. And here's the basket for the balloon. Glue it on. There's enough room for all the toys. Let's go on a trip. How do you decorate the backyard? Put a play area there. Do you like it, Jane? I really do! It'll be fun! The animals have already taken their seats. This ball has to go through all the gates. That's great! Sis is going to love it! Oops! I think she's already here. We have to hide. What's going on? fun! This was an empty room not long ago. And there's even miniature golf. Why don't we play? Jane! She likes it! Shh, Lily. Just let her play. Bullseye! And the little champion deserves a sweet prize. The miracles continue. I wonder what's in the house. Wow! A beauty zone! A princess should always look her best. And the stool is so comfortable. And even her best friends are here. There are flowers in the house. And now we'll have a fashion show. A fancy hat and glasses. And the look is ready. Selfies are a must. This place is amazing. My friends will definitely want to come visit. Should we forget about our dream now? No way, Jane. We'll make our own amusement park. All we need is a lot of cardboard. Here we go. We'll start with some bright colors. Let's paint this boring cardboard room. We'll have tinted roofs. And lots of garlands. And a huge Ferris wheel. Do you like it, Lily? You are a great artist, Jane. Lily has everything she needs, too. We did it, bestie. This isn't just any old room anymore. It's an amusement park. There's a clown hiding around every corner. And all the seats on the merry-go-round are taken. Who wants to ride the roller coaster? But our fun is just beginning. The friends have a claw machine almost ready. And you already know it's made out of cardboard. It looks nice. But we forgot something. How do we get the toys out? Lily thought of everything. Put the claws in here and start the game. This is so well made. And here are the toys. Let's attach them to the bottom of the box. And the finishing touches. Let's install the button. It has to look realistic. Do you want to play? Then pay first. The claw machine takes coins. If you don't have real ones, use cardboard ones. The next stop at the home amusement park is Whack-A-Mole. The girls already have a big cardboard box. Big round holes on top. The game will go here. Don't forget the mallet. It's also made out of cardboard. What if someone wants to play ball? Sure thing! Jane, move! We've got all kinds of things in our cardboard amusement park. Everything is working great, but let's decorate this machine. We can use markers. And now, here's the most important thing. The cardboard hoop. Just stick it to the wall. Add a net. And that's it. Our guests will love it. Let's try out the new game. Bingo! 3-pointer! We only hire cardboard salespeople to work here. This nice lady will sell treats, and her cart should get lots of attention. So, let's get started on the sweet decor. Use lots of paint and stickers. Lollipop or ice cream. Take your pick. Eat whatever you want. We should take a little break from work. Lily loves to race. Cars. Wow. That's a great idea. Let's have a racetrack in our park, too. Lily, I came up with something. Join me. So, we already have a TV. We just need to make a car. The only tools are cardboard and scissors. Cut it out and trace over it. It's nice, isn't it? And now attach these parts to an office chair. Use double-sided tape. The car works great. And you need the TV to create special effects. Splashing, dirt, and the wind. Now it will be just like a real racetrack. There is so much fun stuff to do in here. Let's use the backyard, too. What is this, Jane? We could use this. Let's make some cardboard boxes. Decorate them to look like a brick wall and build a fortress. Ready to play Angry Birds? Talk about full immersion. And let's make a slingshot out of some cardboard tubes and a rubber band. Tie it so it works properly. And now let's check the range. Ready, aim, fire! A serious amusement park has to have a swimming pool. Heavy stuff. Let's put it here. Jane, what are we going to fill our pool with? Not water. I have an idea. Look, we'll use tissues. Paper will do the trick. Let's get to work. Use as much as you need. It has to be a soft landing. The pool is already full. Let's set up the slide. Make it out of a few wooden sticks and thick oilcloth. And we'll dive into the pool from the window. No amusement park has anything like this. We're almost done. Let's just install the cardboard sides and brighten up the slide. Who's the best at construction, huh? Of course, we are. They put so much effort into this, but it was worth it. What a wonderful amusement park. But it's kind of boring without guests. So, we're having the party of the year. Let's call our best friends. Who wouldn't want a fun weekend? You can't miss it. The first guests are here. Come in, and make yourselves at home. Do you like it? This is awesome.
Wow.
Go ahead and play. We promise it'll be fun. Let's start with whack-a-mole. Ready? Jane and Lily have already taken their places. Now try to hit it. Oh, this is harder than it looks, but it's so fun. Let's take turns playing. Hang in there, girls. You're going to feel it soon. But they would do anything for their park visitors. Why don't we take a little break and get something to eat? You can only use cardboard money to pay for cardboard candy. Ready to splurge? You bet. Then here's your ice cream. Enjoy your cardboard meal. You quickly get used to the rules of the park. Who will be lucky enough to win the grand prize today? Grab a coin and test your luck. Ready? Let's do this. Start the claw machine. I got it. The phone is on the hook. Pull it. Careful, careful. Yes, congratulations. You win. Is that for me? Thanks. This park is amazing. Don't thank us. It's our job. All right, guys. This way. Ready for a basketball competition? Hit the hoop and get a sweet treat. Who's ready to give it a shot? And Jane gets the first win. But Courtney misses. Don't worry, you'll get it next time. But Adam's the champion. He can score with his eyes closed. Wow! You win first place, and the winner takes it all. Here you go, Courtney. A consolation prize for you. I'm not greedy. Now let's try out the racetrack. Ready, Lily? Then hold on tight. That's a steep curve. This bump is pretty impressive. Let's add a 4D effect. Lily, you're passing the creek now. Just go. And there will be even more adrenaline on the pool slide. Woohoo! Everyone is having a great time. Let the cardboard fight begin. And here come the first people who want to play Angry Birds. This is an interesting setup. Want to try it? I think this is the ammo. Let's load the slingshot. Aim! And let the bird fly. Yay! We did it! Second try. And we win! And Lily and Jane want to have fun doing something peaceful. How about some miniature golf? Nice shot! Now you! This is interesting. Too bad the cardboard equipment breaks down quickly. Don't feel bad. Next time you'll win for sure. The home amusement park was great. Just as good as the real thing. Our friendship is the best.